Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Clarissa Lizana, NPM 19110400046. I want to presentation about research proposal English language education. Next slide. Language and education are two things that are closely related. Language is the main tool of education. On the other hand, education contributes its invaluable share to developing and fostering language. Both are important things that develop and improve each other in every aspect of people's lives. Next slide. In our current life, English has become a second language, which is an international language. Along with the development of technology and the times, every Indonesian needs to learn English. It can be said that by learning English, we can compete with others in this increasingly sophisticated era. In the era, everyone is required to be able to master science and technology, full of a competitive atmosphere in various fields. Next slide. English is included in the curriculum and is an important subject in elementary, junior, and senior high school, so it has a great opportunity to be used as the language of instruction in several schools in Indonesia. Therefore, in this proposal, the author will discuss English language education. Next slide. Formula of the problem. The formula of the problem for this topic includes 1. What is English? 2. What methods can be used in learning English? 3. What is the role of English as an introduction to education? Next slide. Purpose of the proposal. The learning objectives of this proposal are 1. Readers can be understand the meaning of English. 2. Readers can find out the method of learning English. 3. Readers can be understand the role of English in education. Next slide. English, Mustafa 2007. In this case, that a second language is a language that children learn after their mother tongue, with the characteristic of that language being used in the surrounding community. The position of English in Indonesia has resulted in the rare of in the rare use of English in social interaction in the community. So English is a difficult language to learn because English is a foreign language that is not used daily in people lives in Indonesia. Next slide. The current issue of globalization demands quality human research and can community in various foreign language, especially English, as an international language. Another study that states the benefit of mastering foreign language early, stated by Mustafa 2007, that children who master foreign language have advantages in terms of flexible intellectual, academic, language, and social skills. Next slide. Mustafa 2000 at that children's understanding and appreciation of their language and culture will of if children learn French language from an early age. However, teaching English in Indonesian is different from teaching English as a second language in countries where English is the medium of communication. Next slide. English learning method. The following are 9 models of learning English that every English teachers must know. 1. Direct method. 2. Barrels method. 3. Natural method. 4. Conversation method. 5. Listening method. 6. Method practice theory. 7. Reading method. 8. Oral method. 9. Pattern practice method. Next slide. English as a language of education. All schools abroad have the language of instruction is English. The international language, of course, English is not allowed as the language of instruction in English in Indonesia, with the exception that schools in Indonesia cannot master the Indonesia language well. Next slide. English has become an international language used in almost all areas of global lives. Foreign language determine how we can interact globally. The current issue of globalization demands quality human research and can communication in various foreign language, especially English as an international language. In an English learning method, there are 9 methods that we can apply to learning. In addition, we can learn English at school. The government has included English in the learning curriculum. It can be concluded that learning English is highly supported both by oneself and by government's learning facilities. Next slide. Thank you. I think enough my presentation. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.